Hi, welcome back to Lightning Problem Solving, where we tackle your toughest manufacturing problems lightning fast. Today we're going to be talking about how to reduce your warranty spending. First off, I need to remind you to be extremely careful not to automatically think redesign when working warranty problems. You can always redesign, but redesigns are not only expensive, they also introduce new problems. With a little investigation, normally you'll find a root cause that will save you from needing to redesign. Okay, Tom, I'm ready to investigate instead of resorting to redesign. Where do I start? This video is very similar to my video on how to solve broken parts, with a few exceptions. Warranty problems normally take a longer time because it's harder to find good parts to compare to the bad parts. In order to find a good part, you need to find a part that's been in the field for a long time that is not broken yet. Also, if you know the environment where the warranty parts came from, it's best to find a good part from that environment. For example, if your warranty problem has to do with rust, try to find a good part from a corrosion state. Because this can be difficult, in general, I only like to give warranty problems to master problem solvers. Now you're going to want to take 5 good parts and compare them to the 5 warranty parts. Compare the good to the bad and look for any contrast. The next step is to reproduce the event. Often you need to find an aggravator, but aggravators can be very risky because you need to be very careful that your artificially aggravated parts fail just like your warranty return parts. Once you've successfully reproduced the event and you know the difference between the good parts and the bad parts, confirm you have the root cause by making 3 new parts the good way and 3 new parts the bad way. If the 3 good parts that you made are good and the 3 bad parts you made fail, congratulations, you most likely have the root cause. Just because warranty projects are hard does not mean they're impossible. Don't hesitate to call a warranty problem solving expert if you need help. If you like this video, be sure to click like and let me know in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my video on how to solve broken parts if you want more instructions on how to solve warranty problems. And finally, be sure to click this lightning logo to subscribe so you won't miss out on any lightning problem solving pointers. Thanks for tuning in and have an awesome day.